Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. And what if the end weren't really the end? What if the death of stars actually concealed a new beginning? Imagine yourself in deep space, at the farthest edges of our understanding of the cosmos, standing before one of the most mysterious and unsettling structures ever discovered, a black hole. For centuries, these cosmic objects have represented a fascinating and at the same time terrifying enigma for science. Nothing can escape their gravitational pull, not even light, condemning everything that crosses their path to an apparently definitive end, with no possibility of return. Yet modern science invites us to look beyond this bleak and immutable vision. What if what we've always imagined as an absolute end was actually just the beginning of something extraordinary? In recent decades, some of the most brilliant theoretical physicists, including Stephen Hawking and Carlo Rovelli, have developed profoundly revolutionary hypotheses. According to these theories, black holes would not represent a cosmic grave, but rather a transition phase in an eternal cycle of the universe. From this insight comes the hypothesis of white holes. A white hole is a hypothetical time-reversed counterpart of a black hole. Instead of attracting matter, it violently repels it. It is an object that expels everything a black hole has swallowed, releasing it in a new form, in a new place, or perhaps in another universe. According to Einstein's general relativity equations, this phenomenon is not a fanciful idea, but a real possibility under extreme conditions. The gravitational collapse that generates a black hole could, in theory, trigger a reverse process. The compressed matter could bounce, emerging in the form of a white hole. Carlo Rovelli, one of the leading figures in contemporary theoretical physics, has explored this possibility in depth. In his view, black holes do not simply evaporate into nothingness, but gradually transform into white holes, becoming true cosmic bridges. These passages could lead to unknown regions of spacetime, perhaps even to other universes. If this theory were confirmed, it would radically change our understanding of the universe. The idea of total destruction of matter would no longer exist, but rather a cycle of continuous transformation. What dies, regenerates. What disappears, reappears in another form. It would be a cosmology based on eternal metamorphosis, similar to the cycle of life we know on Earth. To understand the scope of these ideas, it's helpful to go back to the origins. Black holes are born from the gravitational collapse of massive stars, generally at least 10 times larger than our Sun. When a star of this size exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support its own weight and collapses under its own gravity. The result is the formation of a singularity, an infinitely dense point where the laws of physics as we know them cease to function. Around this singularity, the event horizon forms, a sort of boundary beyond which nothing can return. For a long time, it was believed that everything entering a black hole was lost forever. But this view began to change in the 1970s, when Stephen Hawking theoretically demonstrated that black holes are not completely black. Through a quantum process now known as Hawking radiation, these cosmic structures slowly emit energy and, over time, evaporate. This leads to a fundamental question. What happens to the matter that was swallowed? And this is where the white hole theory comes into play. According to Rovelli and other loop quantum gravity theorists, the central singularity of a black hole is not the final point, but a transition toward a new quantum state. At the end of evaporation, what remains could re-emerge in a different form. No longer a black hole, but a white hole. A cosmic explosion that expels information, energy, and matter into another part of spacetime, perhaps into a new universe. This transformation would not be only physical, but also temporal. For an external observer, the transition from black hole to white hole might appear extremely slow, taking billions of years. But for the matter inside, time could flow differently. The change might seem instantaneous. It's one of the most fascinating paradoxes of general relativity, and a clear example of how limited our perceptions are. If white holes truly exist, they could provide answers to many unresolved mysteries. Some scientists hypothesize, for instance, that fast radio bursts or certain gamma-ray sources of unknown origin could be signals coming from these exotic objects. Future generations of telescopes, sensitive to gravitational waves, X-rays, and other forms of energy, could provide the first concrete experimental evidence. Furthermore, the theory suggests an even bolder cosmic scenario. Our own universe could have been born from a white hole. According to some models, what we call the Big Bang would not be the absolute beginning of everything, but the final result of the evaporation and rebound of a black hole from a previous universe. This vision implies a cyclic multiverse, in which each universe generates new universes through the black hole-white hole sequence. In this scenario, the information contained in a black hole is never lost, but transformed and returned in the form of new structures, new physical laws, new possibilities. The universe would thus become an eternal organism, in continuous regeneration. A cosmos where nothing is created and nothing is destroyed, but everything transforms endlessly. Science, after all, is never satisfied with final answers. Every discovery raises new questions, and every mystery revealed generates even deeper ones. It is this tension toward the unknown, this continuous expansion of knowledge, that makes physics one of the most extraordinary intellectual adventures of our time. And maybe, one day, we will truly observe the moment when a black hole becomes a white hole. That day, humanity could find itself facing one of the most extraordinary revelations in its history. The proof that the universe, like life itself, never ends, but is always reborn in new and unpredictable forms.